Gising sa umaga, kay ganda, kay ganda. Purihin si Jesus sa mga gawa niya. Siya ay pupurihin at sasambahin. Ang ganda ng panahon. Pagkagising sa umaga, kay ganda, kay ganda. Purihin si Jesus sa mga gawa niya. Siya ay pupurihin ang Panginoon. Pagkagising sa umaga, kay ganda, kay ganda. Purihin si Jesus sa mga gawa niya. Siya ay pupurihin at sasambahin. Tingnan mo yung alaga kong halaman. This is blessing. And this is 10 years of keeping together with me since I am in Faro Island. Wherever I go, I always take it from me. But this is new. My friend Leonardo gave that to me, and now she giving me more blessing. She grow and she give baby. That's a blessing. Thank you. What a beautiful day. Pagkagising sa umaga, kay ganda, kay ganda. Cleaning time. It's coffee time. Thank you for my beautiful friend. Give me this coffee. She's very nice. Me and she's my coworker. She's a beautiful madam woman. This is my coffee. What a beautiful day. This cup is 10 years now for me. It's coffee time.